My friend! My best friend! How are you today? Huh? Have you eaten yourself already?
Ano yung tinira mo? Ba't pa English ka?
Because I'm dreaming the white Christmas!
White Christmas. Hoy, huwag mong sabihin, nangangarap ka na rin mag-Amerika.
Oh, no, my best friend. The America is coming for me.
Anong sasabi mo?
Come on, my best friend. I have a surprise for you. A very, very big surprise for you, Curly.
Curly, saan mo natutunan yan? Sa matatalino na kalungis mo sa tapat?
Come on, Curly. I'm gonna surprise you.
Holy night! All is bright! It's true! It's already white Christmas in the city! Are you from America?
Yes.
What are you over there? And why you over here?
Homeless din ako dun eh.
Oh wow! Imported! Tapos homeless? Uy! Ulit, bagay sa akin to. Homeless tapos imported.
This is our love offering for you. Please, eat yourself now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome!
To me.
No, to me! To me!
Okay.
Ay! My white Christmas! My white
Ayun niya sa
Christmas!
lokal.
Ito kasi!
Oh,
Hey, you guys! Did you see the passing the white lady?
why? Are you also affected by the beauty?
Yes, because she is the beauty and I am the biz. Oh, come on! Don't you dare do this to us! Oh, please, my darling. It's just infatuation. Infatuation mukha mo?
Ay. Oh my gosh. I think this is getting amoying.
Anong amoying? Baka annoying.
Amoying! Pabantot na pabantot yung English natin.
Galing mo ah.
Please, the more, the funnier!
Sa Tagalog,
More tawa, more saya!
Oh, 3 piso sukli mo. Ito, 3 pisong candy, oh. Salamat.
Hoy, Aling Maring, may bago na namang tarpaulin dito ah.
Nako, nagkabit na naman yung mga taga-munisipyo kahapon. Utos daw ni Mayor.
Epal talaga ni Mayor, no? Pagdating naman sa serbisyo, hindi maaasahan.
Sinabi mo pa. Magaling lang din magpagawa at magpakabit ng tarpaulin niya, no?
Sobrang advance pa niya kamo. Kita mo yan, oh? Bumabati ng Happy Fiesta.
Eh, sa April pa ang fiesta dito eh. Ay, naku.
Oh, yan, oh. Yung Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Naku, August pa lang, kinabit na yan. Last year.
Yung Happy Valentine's Day. Undas pa lang nandyan na yan. In advance ni Mayor, malamang.
Ay, naku. Si Mayor talaga, pagdating sa tarpaulin, laging advance. Pero sa serbisyo, laging late. Tama, tama.
Alimaring!
Oy.
Eh, napakutusan ako magkabit ng tarpaulin. Saan ka ba ito pwedeng kabit?
Sabi, para saan ba yan?
Ito po.
Patay na ba si Mayor? Bakit walang balita?
Ah, hindi. Buhay pa siya. Mamamatay pa lang.
Eh, bakit nagkakabit ka na niyan?
Utos niya. Alam mo naman si Mayor, laging advance. Ito pwede kabit. Ito lang ba, Aling Maring?
Aba, tignan mo nga naman, oh. Sabi nila magkaisa. Eh sila itong nanggigisa sa isa't isa. Ay,